Not every time beans moi, sometimes try something different. Have you ever tried plantain moi before? Trust me guys, if you give this a try, you might actually abandon the beans moi you're used to and stick with this forever. This is very delicious and it's so simple to create. Start making this for your family today and thank me later. Hi my loves and welcome to today's video. You guys, today we're going to be trying out something different from the ordinary thing you're used to. I know when you hear moi, the thing that comes to your mind is beans, or when you see plantain, it's either plantain porridge or you're frying your plantain. But today we're not going to be doing any of that. We're going to be making moi, but we're going to be using our plantain to do it. And for that, we're going to be making use of these 3 plantain, which I'm gonna head to peel and add it into my blender. What I have here is my pepper, and I'm just slicing my onion, which I'm going to add into the blender. You guys, let me know if this is a recipe you will try, or if you've tried this before, let me know how it's tasted. I would also like to know where you're watching me from, so I can give you a shout out in my next video. If you're enjoying this video, please ensure to give it a thumbs up. So while all that was going on, I had my eggs boiling on fire, and this is me just peeling it to get everything ready. You know how we do it here, no wasting of time. So my plan is to actually make this into 6 portions. So I've divided my eggs into 6 as well to fit for each of the portion of the moi. And now that I'm done blending, I'm turning the plantain pudding, the grinded plantain, into my pot. Went in with my Maggi cube, salt to taste, just mixing everything together. You guys, this food right here, I'm going to try my possible best to ensure that I cook it at least once every week. I tested to ensure that everything was okay. I went ahead to add more salt and then my crayfish. What is food or what is jollof anything without crayfish? I added my crayfish. And you guys, by this time, the scent that was coming out from this food, the aroma, I tested it to be sure that everything was at its right proportion, just like I wanted it, and it was. I went in with my power oil. Power oil, if you see this video, sponsor me. But you can also use red oil for this recipe, but I just wanted to go in with groundnut oil, right? This leaf over here is my plantain leaf that I roasted, and you guys know over here we try to keep everything simple and you know. Look at my wrapping skills, you guys. So I'm just wrapping this over here to secure it and ensure that nothing is leaking from anywhere. You guys can see how it looks. So I'm just arranging this plantain stick into this pot because this is paper. I don't want any disaster inside my pot, so I'm going to be arranging this on top of the sticks. And by this time I had my hot water boiling on fire. After arranging this into my pot, I'm just going to turn in my hot water. Please ensure that you're not filling the water to the brim. When you cover this, the water is still going to get to the brim, so just add little water, cover it, and place it on fire to cook. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, or please help me share this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you for always coming to watch my video and engage. And you guys, look at what we have. Look at how it looks. This is ready. It looks exactly like the beans moi, but it is not. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.